everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun, quick little tutorial for you all, but I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute little mini crochet hearts. So they're so much fun to work up and you can literally make them in like 5 minutes. So a super fun, quick tutorial. So some of the materials that you're going to need for this project is you're just going to need some yarn. It doesn't matter what type of yarn you use. If you use, for instance, a worsted weight yarn, your hearts will turn out smaller. If you use a bulky weight, your hearts are going to be bigger. So just see whatever you have in your yarn stash. You're also going to need a hook that corresponds with the yarn. I'm using Lion Brand's Lazy Days yarn, and I have a 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. You're also going to need a darning needle and a pair of scissors. All right, let's get started with our tutorial. The first step in making a mini heart is to make a magic circle. So to make a magic circle, you want to take your yarn and you're going to wrap it over 3 fingers twice. Okay, so you want to place it like this and then wrap it twice, making an X on the inside of your hand, and on the other side of your hand you're just going to have it straight, just like this. And you want to hold the yarn with your thumb. Okay, now you're going to take your crochet hook, you're going to go underneath the first yarn over the other and pull through and then twist. And then you're going to take your hook underneath the other piece, so that last piece of yarn, go underneath it and then carefully pull through this loop. And that's how you make a magic circle. Okay, so you can just close it with the tail end of your yarn. Okay, so now what we need to do is chain 3. So yarn over, pull through your first one, your first loop to make a chain, and then make 2 more. So 2 and 3. All right, so now we need to make 5 double crochets. Your starting chain counts as your first double crochet, so you need to make 4 more. So yarn over, insert your hook into that magic circle and create your first double crochet. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. All right, so I have 3 here, I need to make 2 more. All right, so now I have 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we're going to need to make a treble crochet. So yarn over twice over your hook, insert your hook into that magic circle, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, and then we're going to chain 1, and we're going to slip stitch to the 2 loops right here. Just like that, and then yarn over, pull through, and then pull through that other loop on your hook for a slip stitch. Okay, so now we're halfway done with our heart. So now we need to make 5 more double crochets. So go ahead and make 5 more double crochets within your magic circle. That's my first one, my second one, my third one, my fourth one, and then my last one. Okay, so you have 5 double crochets, and now you are going to make a treble crochet again. So make sure you yarn over twice for a treble crochet, and go ahead and make it in your magic circle. And then you want to go ahead and now pull your magic circle closed. So it should start to really look like a heart now. And then you are going to just chain 1 and slip stitch to the inside of your magic circle. So all you have to do is just take your hook, go into that circle, and then make a slip stitch. Okay, and then make sure you pull tight one more time into that magic circle. And then take your yarn and your pair of scissors and go ahead and cut it. And then with your yarn that you're working with, which I believe is this one right here, yep, go ahead and yarn over and pull through to tie a knot, to close it, to make a knot. And there you go. Now you have a really cute little mini heart. Alright everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on how to crochet a cute little mini heart. These are really great for tons of different projects. You can make cards with them. You can attach them to different crochet projects like on blankets or cardigans. And don't forget, you can always find the step-by-step photos at julesandjones.com. I'll make sure to leave that link in the description box. See you guys in my next video. Bye!